new equipment that I got. Yeah, looks like I have audio. I got video. The video is the exciting part. Pretty much only been able to do video when I was using my MacBooks. So now we can use it on my PC as well. So we got chat overlay. Cool. Right now I'm using Restream. Eventually, I plan on using a friend of mine's equipment software. Type that in chat actually. Let me see if I can pull up their stuff here. Yeah. So this is good. We've got a storm brewing outside as well. So if something happens to this live stream, it was the weather's fault. Yeah, that is friend Theo starting to create some pretty cool content creator software. Until then, we're gonna be using Restream, which is still making it easier for me. So I'm okay with that. Well, it looks like the chat's not going out to Periscope. That's kind of a bummer. So we've got Twitter. All right, so let's see, just testing some more stuff out here. We got some destinations that are offline. That's interesting. Sending data. Oh, interesting. You gotta have the paid plan to do the on the fly toggle. Okay. How do you turn it off and turn it back on again then? All right. Okay. Let's see. Just me interacting with Twitter. This is nothing exciting, I promise. All right. Nope. Okay. None of that we need to deal with right now. Okay. So don't really have anybody on right now. I can fix that probably. Let's do a tweet. See if we can get anybody involved here. Okay. My Twitch account. No, not home. Yep, just that one. No, not home. Come on. It is not wanting to behave. Okay. Fascinating. Seems like I was long enough from streaming again that is way different than before. Oh, well, just a lot of cool stuff. I got raid channels here, clipping, edit stream info on the fly. It's all really interesting. Let's just do Twitch TV user URL. See if that brings me where I want to go. Unless I have a time machine. Found it. That's a win. Okay, I don't have. Here we go. So let's try the tweet now. All right. Testing. A few different platforms also, but let's start off with the Twitch one too. Who shows up? We'll turn the chat overlay off. What is this new ad source? Screen share, I guess. Oh, bumped up the resolution a bit. I don't know if I'm supposed to be able to hear myself. Oh, we got a viewer. Outstanding. There's a bit of a delay between Restream and Twitch. I just found that out because I was on Twitch looking at myself talking from like a minute ago. High resolution audio. Let's do high resolution audio. I'm down for that. I saw a setting somewhere to be able to listen to myself talk. I want to hear myself talk. Feel free to chat. I think Restream here, which was what I'm using, takes all the chats from wherever you're at, which apparently is only YouTube and Twitch right now. It's like failing to connect to anywhere else. It's supposed to take all the chats and send them to this one place. I'm not doing anything exciting right now with code. I'm just testing this stuff out, talking to people. Think about it like Twitter Spaces, but with a face. Well, that and nobody else can really talk. Star of the show. Are my glasses on crooked? They are. That is. Yep. Okay. By the way, I'm going to say okay a lot as I'm trying to figure this stuff out. What is this? Okay, advanced settings. Close advanced settings. Okay. So the audio is coming through my headsets. Um, there was previously. I need to get my beard shaved again. Go to the barber. Um, previously, I saw something somewhere, setting somewhere that said that I could hear myself talk. I'm not egotistical. I just want to hear what it sounds like through. Maybe I'm a little egotistical. I don't know. I mean, I'm streaming. You gotta have to have some level of egotism and confidence here that probably I don't deserve. I love how Murat's professional. They made sure that it was backwards, so that when their own webcam is catching it on the tower, it reads it. It's like perfect ad. Just like they knew what they were doing. That's not an accident. Let's see what we got here. Captions. Follow us on Twitter. No, Restream. I'm not following you on Twitter. Thank you though for your tooling. Um, default graphics show. Nope. Okay. Oh, I remember what it was. It wasn't in Restream. It was on my Stream Deck, and it was part of OBS. I am doing the half of the setup that I meant to do, and I forgot that I was doing that. So that's why. Yep. All right. I hope that was exciting for this one viewer. Okay. So my tweet obviously went viral. That's why there's so many of you here. Hold on. Let's see if I can screen share just my editor. Let's see how that goes. And then you can like go and tell all your friends that I'm coding right now live. That work? Oh snap! Oh yeah! Oh, I even got the little pip thing. Yeah. We're cooking with fire now. You're cooking with oil. Cooking with gasoline. Just took it up a notch. And that code looks terrible. I can't read any of that right now. We're, we're gonna have to figure out that resolution. that is that is bad. The capital B. All right, hold on. Let me see if I can. Can I do anything with this? Nope. No. No. Hold on. I keep saying hold on, like you're gonna like go somewhere. Oh, you might just like watch TikToks or something while I'm doing this. It'll be all right. It's about as entertaining. Okay, maybe let's try this. Let's try bumping up the zoom there. That help? That helped a bit. That helped a little bit. It still looks like hot garbage, but I have a 1440 screen. It kind of hurts me that like you're seeing like all these jagged edges on like I'm using Fira code font and like a high resolution and it's just like super jagged. Hmm. Can I improve it further? Can I improve this? Zen mode. Do full screen. Isn't that the same thing? What's this one? Ooh, no. No. Nope. No. How do I get out of this? There we go. That was a big no-no. All right. Let's try full screen. Okay, I don't know if this is better or worse. Hold on. It's no different. That's because this is full screen. All right. Yeah, it makes sense. Okay. Well, we'll get out of full screen again. Okay, this is can't get out of full screen the same way in here. Come on. Oops. No, that is that was me doing an ad. That's what that was. That was on purpose. Totally on purpose. Uh, full screen. No, full toggle full screen. Oh, it's F11. Good to know. Well, that was painful. That was painful for me to do. It was probably just painful to watch. I think we're just gonna have to do the good old zoom. Um, more hide this. More ads. I don't even know what I have remote. Anything. I think get log. I should probably fix that co-authored. Okay. Oh, something too. If you're interested, is I use GitHub Copilot. I don't know if anybody's ever interested in it anymore. It was like a hot topic for like a minute, and then it just died just as fast. Um, yep. Yeah, I did a bunch of stuff. I don't. None of it seems all that important. Oh yeah, I tried installing MiniFlare. Yeah, that thought that would be easier. It was not. I have ATM. No. Okay. 2,000 insertions. That's got to be MiniFlare. Oh, whatever. We'll find out. Cool. So the last time I checked, where are we? What are we doing? Is nobody's typing? All right. All right. We still got a viewer though. Snap. Is my video live stream paused? No, it just shows the same window. I'm not doing anything on that window right now. I'm on the Twitter window. um, let's see. I posted this just a minute ago, so it should still be there. Oh, that's cool. It's like um, well, this is pretty neat. I did not know that it did this. So I should probably add like hashtags or something next time. But yeah, there's like an actual video, like a live stream video happening on Twitter. Well, I had to close that tab because I clicked on it and I could hear myself, and that's weird. All right. Back to the code. Let's see what we got here. I should use this time. No. I'm going to do it during the weekend. So during the weekend, I'm going to create the tests, like demos for the workshop I'm going to do on October 9th. Yeah. So I'm going to be doing a workshop talk type of situation October 9th. Everybody's, I think, welcome to participate in that. I'm not sure. I know it's like through Danny on Twitter. If you're not familiar with Danny, you'll follow me. Come to my Twitter Spaces, and you'll meet Danny. No, Danny Thompson's pretty popular, pretty well known in that tech circle sphere. So it's not hard to miss. Okay. So this is probably being done very wrong. I was just seeing if I could do it like super simple, like just very easily. These download URLs are actually coming from the test repo. So this test repo is inside the org. I have access to the org. This is how I'm getting access to the org. Cool thing about Wrangler, you can actually look at that stuff. Pull this up. Wrangler could be secret. So you just type in secret, and you're like, okay, I want the list of secrets. Boom. Oh, there's a new version of Wrangler, which I will now download. So right here you can see that it will give you the list of secrets that are actually in scope for Wrangler, but it will not tell you what they are in here, which makes it super convenient to code in this environment, but it also makes it really, really, really convenient as well for doing stuff like this, where I am showing people stuff and I don't want them to see this stuff because that would be bad. Hey. Pretty sure I just need to do a npm. Yeah, probably this. Pretty sure I already globally installed. Yeah, let's just do that. And I forgot that I'm in WSL2. So I'm going to have to do this. And you won't see that. And we're upgraded. What is new patch version of npm? So install npm as well? Sure, why not? We're here. I probably didn't have to do sudo again, but that's all right. Cool. Wrangler. Yay. So one of the things that this newest patch probably did is quite frequently this little server that this spins up. So this is actually hitting the the server, but it allows you to run it locally. You don't have to constantly publish the serverless function. Once I get Miniflare running, I won't need to hit the real server until I actually publish it. I'm describing this poorly, but it's okay. All right. So we already did most of this stuff. You got to do first issue config file. This Articate content URL. Take the parsed repo from your GH-Octakit. Already did this. This is not actually going to happen in here anymore. So this to do. This will occur in the scribe server. So another sure, GitHub Copilot will use your text instead. All right, so we have another server that actually runs all the time. It'll work as a kind of a proxy for. Let's retry. It'll kind of act as like proxy for event creation, because I want this to be event driven, this worker in particular, but this particular step would have to occur every single time a new issue occurs. It would try to run all this code again every time it created a new issue. So rather than have two serverless functions doing sort of similar things to make this work, what I just ended up deciding to do is I'm going to have the server that already gets events when a org is forked and when issues are created, and we're just going to have that server handle that event for the first time, and that's it. Just like the first issue that ever gets created in that repo, it will send a request to this serverless function. The serverless function will go through and parse essentially the entire repository, trying to match that issue configuration that gets passed in here. So basically be like, okay, is it JavaScript files being converted to TypeScript files? So it'll go through all the JavaScript files and basically create issues with those those files contents. Yeah, so trying to automate a lot of the mundane work. I mean, there's other types of issues as well. Like, the two main ones though is TypeScript conversions right now and test refactoring, because those are just the easiest bulk work to automate, as well as it will be the easiest to get to work with some other systems down the line that will be kind of like the linchpin, coup de grace of the whole platform. But on top of that, eventually we're going to have more features inside of the Quest board service. That's what we're calling this, right? The system that this is part of. So this is just one serverless function. There's going to be other parts of this system that does other things, like say, like we want to be able to update the issues from the website, so on and so forth. So slowly but surely, the website itself will become more and more of a platform that's highly gamified and streamlines mod programming and open source contribution. That's the overall goal. It's just a constant goal. So these errors are happening because there's an issue with the token. GitHub changed their token not that long ago. So we're not going to be able to do anything fancy right now. Yeah, they changed the token. It's like a different, more secure token or something. Good. Kind of annoying. But hey, the bonus is the dev server didn't crash, which is what happened last time. If you got a bunch of failures like this, it would have just choked on all those errors and just crashed. So I give the workers team props. The Wrangler team. That's kind of funny to say because I know who and how many people are actually working on that. But yeah, give them super big props for that. It's coming along really nicely. It's written in Rust, by the way. Pretty cool. A lot of work. All right. I don't know if you were supposed to see that account ID. I don't really care. All right. Let's see. License, blah, blah, blah. Cool. Yay. All right. Well, we're going to stop the stream for now because nothing I can really code on. This is supposed to just be kind of a equipment test. Awesome. Thanks for the one viewer. I always appreciate anybody who shows up. Yeah, fantastic. Alrighty. Have a great evening or morning, depending on where you are. Or when you watch this, recordings should be saved automatically. All right.